So this is like one of my happy peace project, joy projects. I've been trying to be like very deliberate and doing stuff that I enjoy to help me reduce stress and anxiety. And I love the cute videos where the babies are baking. So we're going to bake today. So we just discovered that Lily Jean has several food allergies. She's allergic to milk, tree nuts, and peanut butter. So we're going to be making a traditional, what's this, Jiffy corn muffin mix. But we're going to do it without milk. We're going to be using oat milk, which tastes really good. It's a good supplement if you can't have milk. And we're going to be adding honey and a little bit of brown sugar. And normally when my mom makes cornbread or corn muffins, we use butter. But as I just said, Lily Jean's allergic to milk. She can't have butter either. So we're going to use olive oil for now, even though I know there's some other supplements that I could use instead of butter, but we don't have that now. So Lily Jean looks like she's ready to start. That's an egg. Okay. You drop it? Oh, you dropped the egg. It's okay. It's okay. So the first thing, look, you got to open it. Yes, no milk in this. This is safe for you to have. Okay. Oh, you go open. Put it in. Here. Shake, 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 shake. All right, I think we got it all out. What's next? All right, you getting all the lumps out? I think that's what you're supposed to do. You're a natural. Yay, you got all the lumps? Okay, what's next? I think the next thing we need to do, boo, we need to put 1/3 milk. You want to hold it or pour? 1/3 milk. You hold it. Ready? Steady. Go! Pour the milk in the bowl. No, pour the milk. And you moisturizing with milk. Okay. You do moisture. You do your moisturize. Oh yeah, you moisturize with milk. Yes, we got to do our moisture. Yes, Lily Jean recently learned how to moisturize her skin, so she thinks she's supposed to moisturize with everything. Okay, Booby, you gotta pour the milk. Here, pour. Here. Pour. Good job. Yay. Okay, let's add. Oh, okay, we're moisturizing again. Oh. Ooh, almost. Try again. Crack. We got the crack. 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 You gotta crack it, boo-boo. Crack. You're trying it, you're gonna eat it, but we did not crack the egg. You gotta crack the egg. You gotta crack the egg, Boog. Boog. You gotta crack the egg. You gotta crack. Here, look. Mommy help you. Crack. Look. Just put it open. Ready? Woo! You did it! Yay! So messy. Oh, no. I'll try not to say no, but okay. Here, you do it. Here, you hold. Put brown sugar in the muffins. Oh, you're eating that? Does it taste so good? Brown sugar tastes good, huh? Oh, thank you. Okay. You do it. No, I meant to put it in the. Oh, I meant for you to put it in the muffins, not to eat the brown sugar. Good job. Look at you. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. That's enough. Good job mixing, boo. Yay. Mix. Here, this one is yours. I'll help you. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. That's gonna be so yummy. You can have this for lunch after nap, right? So yum. Ready for the next steps? Mommy got spray. You want to spray a little bit? Go ahead, you can spray. Like this. And then scoop. You want to try? You want to try? Here. We're not supposed to be dipping our fingers in it. Boogie. But we're not moisturizing with this. We're going to cook it. And get another big scoop. You want to scoop? Here, you can scoop. You can scoop. No, you don't want to. Okay, you can do it. Good job. That's such a good helper. Yeah, such a good helper. Oh, but we already scooped it. We already scooped it in to get ready to put it in the oven. Yeah. Oh my. You trying everything? You're really not supposed to eat raw eggs, though, boo. Okay, it's not good for your tummy. So we're short on one of the muffins because half of the mix is on the counter. Is it good? Yeah, but you're not supposed to eat it. We need wipies. Your hands. Should we put... Boo-boo. Okay, I think we're done mixing. And we could put some honey on the top. Should we put some honey on the top? Thank you. Can mommy have that? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, you put some honey on the top? Yeah, thank you. Put some honey. So this is how you put the honey. Here, hold it. Put some honey on the top. Honey. Oh my God, there's too much honey, boo. That was gonna have way too much honey. Way too much. Boo boo, you don't stick it. Oh yeah. It's okay. We're baking with Lily Jean. Put a dollop of honey. You getting that honey out of there? Oh, you're gonna paint the wall with it. Great. You're painting the wall with it. On mommy's cabinets too. Okay. I have a question. Did you make a poopy pie while we were baking? Hey. Did you make a poopy pie? I smell something. You made a poopy pie in your diaper? Huh? I smell something. Hot. Babies don't mess with ovens. It's too hot. Hot. Remember? Hot. Yeah, hot. Tell her. Ready? Hey Siri, set a timer for 20 minutes.
Your timer is set for 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay, now we wait. Ooh.
have the Phoenix Suns taking Patrick.